Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a cheerful snowman standing in the middle with two playful kids. As we draw, we'll explore fun and interesting facts about snow and snowmen. Let's get ready to create a fun winter scene together. 1. Draw the boy on the left. Start with the boy on the left. Draw his sparkling, mischievous eyes, then add a big, cheerful smile. Give him a cozy hat that fits snugly on his head with little folds or patterns to make it look real. Add a warm coat with buttons and little folds to show texture. Draw his pants and shoes carefully, showing that he's ready for winter adventures. Look at him standing there, so lively and full of energy, ready to jump into the snow and play. 2. Draw the girl on the right. Next, draw the girl on the right. Start with her bright, sparkling eyes, then add a sweet, smiling mouth. Give her a cute hat, a warm coat, pants, and cozy shoes. Add small details like scarf folds or hat patterns to make her lively and full of character. She looks excited and happy, standing ready to play with the boy and the snowman. Fun fact: in Japan, making snowmen is believed to bring luck and teach patience. Every snowflake is unique, so every snow-covered scene is one of a kind. 3. Draw the snowman in the middle. Now we draw the snowman in the middle. Start with his eyes to give him personality, then add a cheerful hat on top. Stack 3 snowballs to form his body, carefully rounding each one. Add buttons down his front, a scarf wrapped around his neck, and branch arms reaching toward the kids. You can even give him a carrot nose or a little smile with tiny pieces of coal. He looks joyful, friendly, and full of character. 4. Add background with leaves. Now add scattered leaves on the snow. Place them around the kids and snowman to create texture and movement. The snow and leaves together make the scene lively and playful. The kids and snowman appear in a joyful winter landscape. Fun fact: long ago, in medieval Europe, children decorated their snow figures using small pieces of coal, carrots, or even little stones. Snow reflects sunlight strongly, so remember to protect your eyes when playing outside. Snow crunches under boots because air is trapped inside, and it also insulates plants and animals during the cold months. Building a snowman is a mix of fun, creativity, and learning about nature. Snow is fascinating. Snowflakes form in beautiful hexagonal shapes, and no two are alike. Snow can be soft and powdery, or wet and sticky, which changes how snowballs roll. Even the smallest detail, like the angle of the hat or the way the coat folds, makes the drawing come alive. Rolling snowballs, shaping them into a body, and adding small features teaches patience, observation, and attention to detail. Every time you create a snowman, you're making a little story in winter. Snow can appear white, blue, pink, or even yellow depending on sunlight and dust. Decorating a snowman is also a cultural tradition. Kids use stones for eyes, sticks for arms, or berries for extra decoration. Your drawing can reflect your imagination, just like real snowmen do in different countries. Drawing to children first helps tell the story. You can imagine them tossing snowballs, wrapping scarves around the snowman, or giggling together in the snow. Their expressions add energy, movement, and life to the scene. Look at their hats, coats, and shoes. Even small folds and patterns make the characters playful and realistic. Fun fact: snowmen first appeared in paintings and children's books in the 19th century. Stories often say snowmen could dance or move under a full moon. Snow can freeze or melt quickly depending on temperature, so snowmen last hours, days, or weeks depending on the weather. Making a snowman teaches patience, observation, and imagination. Snow is amazing scientifically. Snow crystals form hexagonal shapes, giving every snowflake a unique pattern. Snow can be powdery, wet, or sticky, changing how snowballs roll. Scarves were thought to keep snowmen warm, and branch arms symbolize helping and connecting with others. Even small details, like the tilt of a hat or the angle of a branch, tell a story. Fun facts. Every snowflake is unique with its own beautiful shape. Snow reflects light in different colors depending on sunlight and dust. Walking on fresh snow produces a crunching sound from trapped air. Snow insulates plants and animals in winter. Long ago, people decorated snowmen with potatoes, fabric scraps, or small objects before carrots and coal became common. Folklore says snowmen can guide lost children or play with them, teaching creativity and joy. Snowfall produces whispering sounds, and the snowman seems to stand quietly listening. Building snowmen combines art, science, culture, and play. You can add scarves, buttons, hats, or leaves however you like. Each detail adds personality. Children worldwide have unique traditions for decorating snowmen. Some use stones for eyes, sticks for arms, or berries for extra decoration. Even the smallest details show creativity. Snowmen are temporary, but they teach lessons about impermanence, play, friendship, and winter joy. Rolling snowballs, shaping the body, adding a scarf and hat all become part of a fun winter story. Snow reflects light beautifully at sunrise or sunset, creating magical winter colors. Some snowmen are built as part of festivals or competitions, showing creativity and imagination. Snow can be soft or sticky, each type giving different textures to your snowmen. Making snowmen is not just a game, it connects imagination, culture, and science. Every scarf, hat, or branch you add becomes part of a story. Each drawing teaches observation, creativity, and joy in winter. Now our drawing is complete. The snowman is cheerful and the kids are playful and lively. Today we drew and learned about snow and snowmen while creating a vibrant winter scene full of fun details. The picture is colorful, creative, and full of life. You can add your own details to make it even more special. Every drawing tells a story, and your imagination makes it unique. The snowman and kids remind us to enjoy winter, be playful, and celebrate creativity. Snow and snowmen connect us with nature, culture, and science. Each snowflake, each branch, each fold has a story. By drawing and exploring, we keep these stories alive in our hearts. Thank you for joining this drawing adventure. Keep being